Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mr. P broadcasting live in real-time market trading. Today is October the 7th, 2014. It is a Tuesday at 1:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I'm declaring early victory today, but before I begin, let me give my disclaimer. I'm not employed by Nadex. I'm not endorsed by Nadex. I simply use them as my chosen trading platform. I'm not a registered investment advisor. I'm simply a day trader, and that's all there is to it. I'm not employed by Nadex, endorsed by Nadex. I'm not a registered investment advisor. I simply share with people what I'm doing with my own trading account at Nadex. All right. I'm declaring early victory today in all four markets, and today we're going to spend some time showing you how I was able to arrive at that conclusion precisely. Now, folks, we're going to begin with what I believe will be something that you will be shocked if you haven't seen it before. Those of you who've been following me on YouTube are very clear that I'm a absolutely convinced individual concerning the existence of high-frequency trading and program trading. It is my opinion that the markets are and have been continually rigged since the advance of supercomputing and since the advance of the exchange-traded funds and the index funds. They lend themselves to this type of manipulation, and it is beyond question and without a doubt that it is not a free market. The fundamentals do not apply. You might as well not listen to anything that's being said on CNBC because it's all letting you believe the illusion, the lie, that the markets are determined by fundamentals. That is absolutely not the truth. Now, I have developed a trading system which identifies beyond a shadow of a doubt the precise moment the trading sharks, the high-frequency traders, enter into the market. And it is not a coincidence that in the U.S. 500, which is in reality the S&P E-mini future, that at 12:35 a.m., these charts that I've designed have been specifically geared to determine the precise point at which program trading begins. And at 12:35 a.m. on October the 2nd, you can see they hop on the red line, which is a special form of the moving average, okay? And the market goes down and continues down to this point where we have an early victory. I was convinced beyond a shadow of a doubt that this was going to be the best and safest strike price, and you can see that all Nadex requires is that we be below the strike price. And since I told you to sell, I was predicting that it would be below this 1951, and you can see where it is now in real time, folks, in real time. Now you say, Mr. P, that's got to be a coincidence. Let's go to the U.S. Tech 100, which is the NASDAQ E-mini future at 12:35 a.m. Precisely, the program shark shows his ugly white teeth, and I predict the exact moment and the exact minute using this special form of the moving average, and it's red, meaning they are determined, the program traders, about 1,000 or so of them, with billions of dollars at their disposal, and supercomputers can move the market down, and they do arbitrarily. Oh, well, Mr. P, that's got to be a coincidence, okay? Let's go to the U.S. small cap. All right, at precisely 12:35 a.m., the same program trading takes place. Are you beginning to see the picture, folks? The only way that you can beat the trading shark is to join him. But first of all, you have to climb out of fantasy land and think that charting price is going to help you. The program traders go with moving averages, folks, and this is a special form of the moving average, okay? Oh, but Mr. P, it's got to be no, the markets aren't rigged. It's got to be just a coincidence, okay? Let's go to the Wall Street 30 at precisely 12:35 a.m. The program trading sharks come in violation of moral law and in violation of legal law. But what they do in order to avoid going to prison is pretend like there's an event that caused the markets to go down. Yes, there is an event that caused the markets to go down, But the frank thing that you need to realize is that these companies all have great value. Many of them do. These are the cream of the crop companies, the US 500, the Tech 100, the small cap, cream of the crop companies. These companies still turn the lights on, wax the floors, and sell product. What's happening is that the program traders use the events that are occurring all over the world as the disguise or the bandit mask by which they manipulate the market. Now you think of this like a seesaw. There's no way if a 500-pound kid gets on the seesaw that you're going to go anywhere other than the direction he wants you to go. There is no way in the world that you as a retail trader are going to be able to beat the system of program trading and market rigging. You have to be aware that it exists, and you have to climb on back of the trading shark and ride it in the appropriate direction. Now, as further confirmation of this, I've discovered a method called what we call Alice in Wonderland trading. These are short markets where people are betting the market is going down. And it's like Alice in Wonderland. When you go into the short market, up becomes down and down becomes up. And as you can see in the short US 500 went up, which meant the market right over here, the real market was going down. On the NASDAQ, the short was up and the market went down in the NASDAQ. In the short Russell, it went up and the market went down. And in the short Dow, it went up and the market went down in that market. I also look at the cash market here, and you can see this isn't a futures market. This is the dollar Indu. The cash market indicated that it would be great down pressure today. The U.S. dollar is headed down. That indicates a positive correlation that the market will go down. The Ultra VIX measures fear in the market, and you can see they were scared crapless. Okay, and this is something that's new that Mr. P has discovered. And also the Japanese futures are up. When the Japanese futures are strong, it means our stock market is going down. That correlation has existed now for over a decade. But here's something that Mr. P has discovered, and that is as Treasury yields go down, the market goes down. It used to be they were inversely correlated, and now they are positively correlated. Now, what this means is that people are moving money into Treasuries and out of the stock market, and that drives the yield down. Okay, there we are. I'm declaring early victory today. And also, this is very important that I show you the heat maps. As you can see, there is no way that the program traders can go anywhere but down today without going to federal prison. If they arbitrarily push the market up, which they could do in a high-frequency trade, there'd be a congressional hearing, you see. So they're using the events such as they are. There's not a lot going on this week to go along with the market for a change. But make no mistake about it, it is not the stock prices that are moving the market down. The program traders are moving the market down, and that's what they decided to do as early as 12:35 a.m. in the morning, 12:35 a.m. in the morning on these different markets, 12:35 a.m. in the morning on the small cap, and 12:35 a.m. this morning on the Wall Street 30. There you have it, folks. Now let me go again to show you how you order trading signals. I gave out free trading signals today. That stops today. And we'll have a free signal next week sometime. Those of you who are subscribers don't need to worry about it. You simply go to the checkout counter at goldmoneyparty.com. You ignore these two great gentlemen, Kennedy and Washington, go immediately to George Washington. And you want to change this to 1. And you'll get and proceed to checkout. You'll start getting your signals tomorrow morning. We're getting a whole lot of new business, but I've hired people to enter the data, so you'll get your signals real time on your text phones, folks. Okay, now be sure when you put your phone number here, okay, the signals are $150 per month. When you put your phone number here, make sure it is your text, that is your text number. Now, I've got to change that back to a 1. I don't know why the programs do that. You want to update you want to put 1 in here. All you want to order is 1 subscription. Update the cart. Proceed to checkout. Now, we don't take American Express, be sure to put your text phone number here and not your home phone number so that I can get the signals out to you very, very quickly. All right, now, let me talk a little bit about our affiliate program and explain why it's important that you join it. I have done the video. You'll be able to show this video on our website to your friends, and you can get involved in what's called our affiliate program. Okay, here's the way that works. You show this video to your friends, neighbors, business associates, and 2 of them decide they want to get into the program after seeing this video and your account balance at Nadex. By the way, let's talk about money management for a moment. I had a person open up a new account today with $300. When we win today, that will be $600. When we win again, that will be $1,200. And I've advised the lady in this case to withdraw $600 of her winning and to gamble the balance of the $600 and to keep doing that over and over and over again. Okay? Now, with that money management system, and it's really just common sense, folks, remember that hogs get fat, pigs get slaughtered in this business. And day trading is risky. There are a lot of things that can happen. And so what you want to do is have the odds in your favor, and certainly using our trading system and our trading charts that are geared directly to the movement of the high-frequency traders, the odds are definitely going to be in your favor. Now, those of you who are subscribing, congratulations on your good judgment. Those of you who are non-subscribers need to go to checkout right now. I said right now, and get started on the program so I can get your signals to you tomorrow. 300 doubles to 600, 600 to 1,200. On the 3rd day, I want you to take 600 out and then just gamble the 600 that you have won. And do that, wash, rinse, and repeat, and you'll find yourself in a 6-figure income by the end of this year and well into next year. Now, let me talk about our affiliate program, folks. This is extremely important to you. You show this video and others that I've made. There are literally hundreds of them on the YouTube channel. And Mike and Susie decide to join, but you have to send them to me for the training that I'm giving you, or your trainer senior advisor. You see, there are trainer senior advisors springing up all over the nation now. But if there is not one assigned to you, you refer 2 people to me, okay? And then in return for that, I then promote you to senior advisor and give you the legal authority to open up a PayPal account with recurring billing. With recurring billing, you don't need a copy of our website, though many of you have requested it. With recurring billing on your next 2 sales, I'm doing all of the work, sending all the signals out. You're making $150 a month or $300 a month, $3,600 a year with just 2 sales. Okay? And then the selling stops there because this is a referral-based system. So all you have to do is refer 2 people to your trainer senior advisor, in this case me, and then you make your first 2 sales. You're given legal authority to bill the people with PayPal recurring billing, and I'll train you on how to set up an account, set up your PayPal account so that you can do recurring billing. You now have the legal authority and approval by PayPal to bill people for membership in our Trading Signals program. That's what we're selling, memberships only in our Trading Signal program. Now, the magic here is you don't have to do any more selling. Red and Sunny obviously want to have their own PayPal account doing recurring billing, but before they do, they have to refer, Red has to refer 2 people to you, Sarah and Agnes. Sunny has to refer Mary and Florence. Now, all of a sudden, your income explodes to $150 times 4, or $600 a month, $7,200 a year. Now, after Red and Sunny do this for you, they break away, but they continue to pay you your money every single month. They may move away and form their own branch up here in Gold Money Party Heaven, but they have to leave their money behind with you month after month after month. Now, here's something that I want to show you. With just 512 members, it is true that your income will be $920,600 a year, and you only had to make 4 sales to get there because this is a referral program. It is not a selling program. Listen carefully to what I'm saying, folks. This isn't going to happen in the real world. Why? People get sick. People go to the hospital. People get fired from their jobs. People's cars break down. But can you believe Jesus? I believe you can, folks, because he's the one who put all this together for me by the power of his Holy Spirit living in me. Can you believe that he'll give you your 2 referrals to give to your trainer and allow you to make 2 sales? Automatically, you're looking at $3,600 a year. Can you believe the Lord for 4 referrals? Of course you can. That's an additional $7,200 a year. Could you believe the Lord maybe for 10 or 20% of this number, which would be $100,000 a year income? I'm sure you can believe the Lord for that. All right, folks, that's it today. Those of you who are subscribers, congratulations on your good judgment. Those of you who are non-subscribers, I'm going to tell you what Rick there's a furniture guy here in Dallas, Stacy Furniture. He says, if you're not doing business with Stacy Furniture, you're burning money. Well, if you're not trading with Mr. P's trading signal, you're burning money. You're losing money that you could have made today. The return on your investment is roughly 30 to 50% daily. You won't find any way of making money online quicker or easier or safer than in trading with my trading signals. And even though Nadex doesn't recommend me, I recommend them. They are the best, most honest trading system on the market today. They guarantee that you're going to be in your trade until 4:15 every day. Let's take another quick look at the markets, and you can see that we're still winning in all 4 markets. Thank you, Jesus. And people are doubling their money. God bless you. God bless these great United States of America. And remember that Jesus Christ is the greatest indicator of all.